Ho, ho, ho! My name is Santa Claus, and I live in the North Pole. Christmas is just around the corner, and I have so much to do. My team of elves and I are getting ready to spread happiness and joy all around the world tonight. First, I have to check my naughty and nice list. Santa Claus always knows who has been good or bad throughout the year. I sit by the fireplace, reading each letter that children sent me. They tell me about their wishes and dreams. I smile, knowing how excited they will be when they find their presents under the Christmas tree. Next, I make sure that my reindeer are ready to fly. I visit my old and trusted friends, Rudolph, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. I give them a tasty treat and pat them gently on the head. They are strong and full of energy, ready to carry my sleigh through the night sky. After that, it's time to pack the presents. With the help of my hard-working elves, we wrap each gift with colorful paper and tie them with shiny bows. The elves have so much fun singing and laughing while we work. We load the sleigh, ensuring that every present is in the right place. Once everything is prepared, I put on my red suit, cap, and black boots. I look in the mirror and admire my bushy white beard. With a hearty ho, 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 I am ready to bring joy to the world. Now it's time to deliver the presents. I hop in my sleigh, hold the reins tightly, and call out to my reindeer. We soar through the sky, guided by the twinkling stars. We visit every house, quietly sneaking in and leaving presents for the children. Seeing their surprised faces in the morning makes all the hard work worthwhile. Tonight, as I spread the magic of Christmas, I feel grateful for being able to bring happiness to the hearts of children all over the world. It fills me with warmth and joy knowing that I am part of such a wonderful tradition. Thanks for listening to my story. Remember, no matter where you are, Santa Claus is always watching, and he hopes that you'll be on his nice list this year.